In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to an anchor on Confluence. If you want to send people directly to a specific section of a Confluence page, using an anchor link is a simple and very useful option. It helps readers skip straight to the exact content they need instead of scrolling through the whole page. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create that anchor point and then attach it to text so the link jumps to the right spot. First, open the Confluence page where you want to add the anchor link and make sure the page is in edit mode. You need to be editing the page so you can place the anchor in the correct location and connect it properly. Once you're inside the page editor, go to the exact area where you want the link to jump. This is the destination your readers will land on when they click the link. Click in that area, then type /anchor. From the suggestions that appear, choose anchor link. This inserts an anchor at that location in the page. After the anchor has been added, select the anchor itself. When you do that, a floating toolbar will appear. From that toolbar, click copy link. This copies the direct anchor link, which you'll use in the next step. A good tip here is to place the anchor at a clear heading or just above the section you want people to see, so the jump feels natural when someone opens it. Now that the anchor link has been copied, find the text you want to turn into a link. This can be text on the same page or on a completely different Confluence page, depending on where you want users to click from. Highlight the text, then click the link icon in the top toolbar. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K to open the link window more quickly. When the pop-up appears, paste the copied anchor link into the first field, then click Insert. That's what connects your selected text to the anchor you created. After that, the link should take readers directly to that section of the page. And that's it. You've successfully created and linked to an anchor on Confluence. It's a small feature, but it can make long pages much easier to navigate, especially for documentation, guides, and internal knowledge bases.